Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today we'll be trying the InkeyList 360 Acne Clearing Serum. This product retails for $18. I'm really excited for this new acne serum from the InkeyList. Funny enough, a blemish treatment that they released, their C50 blemish treatment, was the first ever product I tried on this channel as an official skincare channel. I'm really excited to see what the InkeyList has done with this formula because they integrate a new age technology, dioic acid, that is claiming to reduce oil production, reduce the look of active acne, and also be a treatment for post-acne hyperpigmentation and dark spots. This is looking to be promising. I've not tried anything with this technology before, so I'm excited to see what the InkeyList has done with this product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use a 1% concentration of dioic acid, a 2% concentration of salicylic acid, and a 0.4% concentration of dendroclear, which is, I think, a complex that's supposed to calm and soothe the skin. Really interested by these ingredients. You can click the link in the description, go to their website, check out the full ingredients, or I've also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things we're going to be looking for is how often can I use it, and does it cause any dryness or sensitivity since it is a 2% salicylic acid serum. I also want to see what benefits I notice with this product. What finish does it leave? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm going to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this acne serum. Really excited to see what this new age technology looks like from the InkeyList. I noticed 2% salicylic acid in this. Makes me a little bit nervous just because sometimes I've experienced sensitivity to that ingredient. This is honestly a very moisturizing texture, which I was not expecting. I don't know why I expected this to be more watery, but very lightweight. Blends into the skin so nice. It's like almost like a light moisturizer. I'm interested to see how this technology translates. I'm not really struggling with any bad acne, knock on wood. I do want to see how this product performs because I know during this trial I'm definitely gonna experience at least one breakout. It is inevitable. Already I really like the moisturizing feel of this serum. I know I've said this before, but when I was getting into skincare, there were so many instances of acne treatments being too drying. Don't get me wrong, sometimes in a spot treatment, I like it to be a little bit more mattifying, but with an all over face acne treatment, I feel like a more moisturizing approach may be the way to go. So that's why I'm hopeful for this product. It doesn't leave too heavy of a finish. It definitely is a little bit dewy. May open up the door for more dry skin people to enjoy a salicylic acid formula. Usually that ingredient is formulated to be more drying, and I don't like that. I don't understand that, but I am glad that they have this moisturizing approach to it. No stinging, no sensitivity, no irritation, given I am more experienced with the actives that I'm used to using. Definitely start out slower with this and build up based off your tolerance. I recommend starting around a week. Listen to skincare experts and get a consultation about that, but that's, if you're just getting into actives, that's what my personal dermatologist did me on, so I always just spread that advice, but everyone's skincare journey is different. That was a tangent. Anyway, it feels really nice. I don't experience any dryness, and it's really impressive for a 2% salicylic acid serum. I'm excited to see what else I notice and how it continues to perform and what results I'll see with it as well. So I'll see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. First off, a very moisturizing yet gentle 2% salicylic acid concentration. This is an ingredient that's been hit or miss with me on whether it causes dryness or sensitivity, and I feel like the InkeyList combined a lot of nourishing ingredients in this product to kind of help counteract some of the dryness that can come from salicylic acid. Also being an acne treating serum, it is good that they went the moisturizing approach. Now this is an active based treatment. I do like the integration of this new technology in this formulation. I felt like it performed really well. I had a few active breakouts come up during this trial, and I did experience noticed just a little bit of purging with this product. I think it's because I'm not very used to using salicylic acid regularly, and so just be mindful that that can happen with this product, especially if it is the first time you're using salicylic acid. I personally found I was able to use it once a day every day, and it was kind of the sweet spot for me. You can build up if your skin can tolerate it. You can go slower if your skin can't. Obviously listen to skincare experts and dermatologists when incorporating that. I've just learned my skin through my own dermatologist and also trying so many products that was the perfect sweet spot. I felt like it may be a little too much or too sensitizing to use 2% salicylic acid more often, so I just used it like that. I will say this was a really impressive formula. Out of all of the Inkey List recent launches, this is definitely the one that spoke most to me, and I feel like they've done something really innovative with this product. Now, as for post-acne hyperpigmentation, because they did discuss that as a claim of this product helping, I personally cannot testify to those benefits at the moment, but I will keep you posted on this product. I do know that it did help calm my skin. I feel like this product did help calm down some of the redness in my acne very subtly, but I know when a zit is healing, a lot of times I experience redness after it. This product kind of minimized that a little bit. It was very subtle, but I do see some promising benefits that could get better as I continue using it. I do feel like this is an innovative formula if you are able to tolerate salicylic acid. Also, if you tried it in some other formulas like a toner or something that's not as moisturizing and you found it to be too drying, this may be a more moisturizing salicylic acid option to go for on the market. I do feel like Inkey List did something innovative with this, with dojic acid being included in here. That is technology that I've not seen in any other formula, at least that I know of that I have tried. And I like that they called it a 360 acne treatment, because if it does show those post-acne hyperpigmentation benefits, it is an innovative formula for that. Sure, you could argue that azelaic acid could do that as well, because I've personally seen those benefits from azelaic acid as well. I did find I was able to combine this with azelaic acid. Honestly, dream combination would be the Inkey List Redness Relief Solution, azelaic acid, and this product if your skin is able to tolerate it. I can combine azelaic acid with other actives without it causing too much dryness, and this was the perfect moisturizing acne treatment to kind of combine that. So I did also want to open up that topic of conversation because I feel like it was beneficial for my skin with that, combining the two, and it was more moisturizing as well. That is the biggest selling point. I also feel like it's very budget friendly. Compared it to some other favorites of mine in terms of BHA products, and it really is in a lane of its own, especially with the added technology they have in this product. So I do feel like it is 100% worth it, and I would reinvest in this product, especially when I'm struggling with really bad acne. And I would recommend it if you're looking for a more moisturizing acne prone skin option. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next review.